Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving straight into how to organize your home improvement projects in Notion. Our first step is to create a new page in Notion specifically for your home improvement projects. This would be your central hub where you can store all related information. The reason we do this is to have a one-stop shop for everything related to the project, ensuring you never lose track of any details. Next up, let's add different sections on this page for each individual project. This helps us because it breaks down the overall process into smaller, more manageable tasks. So instead of staring at a giant project, you're looking at a series of smaller ones, which feels less daunting. Now that we've done that, we'll add a table for each project. In this table, you can add columns for things like deadlines, budgets, and necessary materials. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This table is turning your project into a living, breathing organism that you can update and modify as your project progresses. Let me explain why this matters. By having a visual representation of your project, you can better manage your time and resources. You'll know exactly what needs to be done, when it should be done, and what you need to do it. Finally, don't forget to use Notion's reminder features to keep you on track. For instance, you can set reminders for when to order materials or when a particular task is due. This is essential because it ensures you never miss a deadline and keeps your project moving smoothly. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to organize your home improvement projects in Notion. To recap, we created a dedicated page, broke down the projects into sections, added tables for each project, and set reminders. Thank you for joining us today, and happy organizing.